Alright, so I ain't never done a YouTube video before, but I wanted y'all to see this. I haven't seen very much stuff on YouTube about it, so I've got a 1987 Jeep Comanche, and I need to replace a fuel tank and the sending unit because the previous owner mangled up the wire and harness and everything, and the pigtail to it. So I've been tracing all that and working on it. I think I got everything in the engine bay buttoned up, but anyways, I'm gonna be replacing this tank today, and I haven't seen very many videos about the fuel tank itself. So I got headlights and stuff right here, but so the main problem I found when I was looking for the fuel tank and the sending unit was they don't make them anymore. And I talked on the Comanche Club forums, and I found that these guys had been experimenting with tanks and sending units, and you can't just buy this one particular sending unit, if I could find it, because, sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. The tank, the stock tank, has a slosh pan in it. Actually, I'll show you all this right here. I don't know if it's a slosh pan or what it is, but the dude gave me an extra tank with my Comanche, but it's kind of useless. Hold on, let me grab a flashlight from under the truck. Got this bad boy at Home Depot on sale. See that down there? So the problem with this is the old sending unit, the old sending unit goes a certain direction. I can't really remember. It's been a minute since I've done all this, and it hits on that slosh pan, and you can't turn it around or nothing. The little pickup on it does. So they said that this Delphi sending unit works very well with that particular tank for the Comanche. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in my new tank, which is, I'll give you all the part numbers for them. This is a Spectra Premium JP5A from the AutoZone website. And then this one, I can't remember where the damn part number is. This is a Delphi sending unit. But here's my order form. It is I don't want to show y'all my, well, I can actually. Yeah, okay. CHP10147. And I'll try to test my editing skills after I get all this done, and I'll put all the stuff on the YouTube video, but for now, I'll just read them out for y'all. But this is what I'm gonna be doing today. I got a whole bunch of other stuff planned. I got a 97 and up grill, fender, bumper. I also got the one off mine. I haven't showed y'all the front of the truck, but this is basically how I bought it. But minus all this, I got all the, it's got the radiator took out, but everything in there is buttoned up. Might not look like it, but it is. Got some pretty good tires, rims and tires on it. Might keep those on there. I don't know. I have to do a little something about this, but no problem there. Got a pretty cool bumper on it. A lot of guys on the Comanche pages on Facebook, they are dying to have this bumper. It's Jasper Jeep Sales, Jasper, Georgia. That ain't really common on these, but got the Comanche Club sticker. That's from the previous owner, but I'm on there too. Y'all can find me on there at Logan RF. Yeah, he's got these in the wrong spot. I've noticed that, but I kind of like it like that. It reminds me of a newer style truck. I'm definitely gonna move them up though, back to where they're originally placed. This door's fine, but yeah, he took that all that stuff off. But we got a lot of stuff behind the seat, a lot of stuff up here. But cool thing about this is I got that, and I've got the manual, so it's pretty cool. Got a lot of stuff to button back up in here, but other than that, you know, pretty decent little setup. Previous owner had, I guess, took out the electric fan and never put it back in, so luckily I know a guy with a junkyard, so I can get a lot of this stuff fairly cheap. I got that electric fan, I think, for 15 bucks, so not a bad little deal. I gotta put this carbon canister back in, or what is it? Charcoal canister back in up front. But I'll try to post a little video every week or every chance that I get on this truck, you know. I ain't really got the time to do a lot of stuff on it, but I will try to post for y'all, to show y'all some of the stuff that I can't find, you know. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll try to video this too, but I don't know, I'm by myself, so. But, oh yeah, I need to show y'all something under here that a lot of people have trouble with. Let me grab my light, actually. So, if you look right up here, you got your hangers. And the problem with these hangers is a lot of people can't get these bolts off. So, shit. Saw a Bleeping Jeep video. He made one of these, but I can't get mine on there. So I found that this Tecton 15mm long deep well, half-inch drive set works excellent. I mean, it fits in there, no problem. And you got room to work with the extension on there, nothing in your way. But yeah, let me try the video. And if I can't, I'll just cut it off right here. Shit. That might work. And what I did was I just set a 5-gallon bucket right here underneath it. Yeah, right there. So you don't, if you're working with another person, then they can help you. But I'm by myself, so I don't want gas to spill all over me. And what I'll do is I'll go down here to this other end. Try to get that best I can. A lot of guys say that these are rusted real bad, but mine aren't too bad, so that's pretty good. Oh yeah, and another thing is, I can't figure out how to get the damn, what you call this? Fuck, what do you call this thing? Filler neck and stuff, so I'm gonna have to deal with that when I get to it, but for right now, this is what I can do, so. think at some point you're able to lift these L brackets out of these. And then pick up. Yeah, I'll probably have to go a little bit deeper than that. Be a whole lot quicker with a 1/2-inch drive impact. Oh, I've got 3/8 and 1/4 inch, so gotta make do. Yeah, I figured, why not make a video about these, go a little bit in depth with it, A lot of people don't see this, and a lot of people aren't very mechanically inclined, so might as well help some folks out if I can. And I don't know if I need to take this skid plate off, but oh, that's nasty up under there. Let me figure out what size bolt that is real quick. I bet my life is a 1/4 inch or 10mm. Yep, 10mm. These, oh shit, for a skid plate. Fucking hell. These for a skid plate are just 10mm bolts, or not bolts, nuts. My bad. Washer, nuts, whatever. Comes right off. Can't really tell, but that's what it did. And these are on the bottom of these hangers right here. I would grab the camera and show y'all, but one-man show right here. Now my gas tank ain't bad off, but I needed to replace it for this thing to work, so. Alright. Put that over there. Put my 5-gallon bucket back. Drop these. If I can find my fucking wrench. Alright. Ratchet. Starting to get a little hard down towards the end. Still has a little bit more. There's that. I'm gonna stick this back in here though, so I don't fucking drop it on my face while I'm doing the other one. me something to sit on top of that. Sure do hope I can figure out how to edit these videos, because it's probably be mighty boring for all of y'all, if you ever even watch. Alright. Throw me a break under there and then have at it on the other side. Shit starts to get in your way. Let's see what that is. Oh, up there. A little bit more. Come on. There we go. All right. Now, I need to figure out what I'm gonna do about that filler neck. So, grab my flashlight. Cut the thing off, save some battery. Jesus. Got my cap down there. I'm not capless right now, but I need to do a little research on this, but I wonder if I can go. Yep, right here. All right. So, see, a lot of guys cut them, but I'm not about to cut mine because I doubt they even make the damn thing anymore. So, cut on my flashlight again. Oh, that looks yummy. Yeah, so that's just a hose clamp, regular old hose clamp. That one has too. All right, I'm trying to video this for y'all, but I don't know if it's gonna work. There we go. All right, that was good. too bad. Here comes the fun part. Fucking hell. Let me grab my pliers or something. It's Cobra. I wonder if I can just pull from the front right here. What the fuck is that? Alright. I'm gonna just end the video right here and then start a new one once I get it out, and then I'll explain how I did it. So, okay. So this ended up having to bite the bullet, cutting it. But I ain't too worried about that. I didn't cut it very much. I can probably salvage it. But alright, so to get this out, I need to get these return lines off, or the evap or whatever. I'm gonna take them out anyways because I'm gonna reuse them. But fucking, I'm gonna cut it. Get my dikes, my lesbians. Cut that bastard. There we go. Another one popped out because this thing's a piece of shit. I don't know what that came off of, but alright, everything's freed up except for that hanger right there. Hell, I might have to jack the fucking truck up to get this thing out. I'm not too sure. I don't believe so. Oh. This thing had more gas in it than I thought, so ended up being a damn job to get it out. I ain't got no second kit or nothing, so I couldn't do it. Well, maybe y'all can see this. Fucking thing ain't very pretty, but alright. Oh shit, let me show you this too. Alright, so I don't know where the hell you'd get these seals, little gasket things from, but mine's melted, so I'll have to fucking figure that out or rob that one. Well, it ain't got none, so I'm fucked when it comes to these, but look at how fucked they are. I'm gonna keep these little return things. I don't know how the fuck they come out though. Yeah, like just. Oh god, that's fucking awful. Maybe. Nope. Yeah, good thing I changed this gas tank, it's rusted all to shit. But I am gonna take these because these are worth it, unless these ain't. Yeah, see, I think everybody that I know's or seen's ever do this is cut these, so. But it's always good to have spares, ain't it? Grab my damn